welcome back. So tomorrow I am super excited. I'm taking the F56 to another Touge2Track track day, but this time I get to help them out, which I'm super stoked to do. Huge shout out to my friend Miguel for asking me if I could help out. So with that being said, I need to prep the F56. It needs an oil change, and then we gotta put the numbers on. I'm just gonna torque everything down, make sure nothing's come loose. But I am super excited, super excited. Little hint, this is one of our last open diff track days. I think there's only one more after this, so I'm so excited. All right, let's get started prepping the F.
She burns the bridges in my head by lighting up a fire. Bury my old thoughts instead so you could feel the same. I lay alone with you inside my mind. We would dance the night away to the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. Yeah, yeah. And we give you.
Okay, so finished putting in oil. Now I got the splitter lined up. Sorry I didn't get any video of it. It's literally a full body effort for me because I'm so small. But now I just gotta tighten it all up.
You look so good in the morning light, reflections in my mind.
To the right, right there. Keep going. A little more. Right there, stop. Perfect. Nope. No.
The fights, I don't care if I'm right, let's just buy a bit more time. I live alone with you.
Okay, so we've officially made it to Willow Springs International Raceway. I'm super excited. We are driving streets of Willow today. I am pretty pumped. I am excited to finish off these tires. I am running the AO52s today. So there's not much life left in them, but there will be no life in them after this. So I'm pretty pumped. I'm excited to drive.
Inside my mind, we would dance the night away till the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love, all my
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. My siblings are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite. Watch me burn my whole house down, not feel a thing. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there.
Okay, so at the track, started working today. I was helping out the beginners, doing some lead follow activities, showing them some lines and whatnot, and then I finally got to take the F56 out. Started this morning, I only got in 3 laps, and then they flagged the session and it was lunch, but I did do a 1:30.6, so I'm back at my old PB from last time I was here, which is great, because today we're running counterclockwise. So I was super excited. I got to go out after lunch in the intermediate session. So there's a lot of really good drivers and everybody's making room. And I ended up PBing. I did a 129.7. It's at least a PB, if not a good setting standards for the Mini. I'm so stoked. Oh my god, like I can't even believe it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. And that was with a passenger, so weight reduction and maybe we'll go faster. And I think I mentioned this already, but like LSD in the future, gonna go faster. I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. So I am letting the car sit. I think I'm gonna go out in like a session or two just to give my friend a quick ride along, and then we're gonna pack him up and head home. Thank you. Okay, so the F56 is loaded. We are done for the day. Such a successful day. I am so hyped. I'm so happy with the car. I had so much fun. Thank you to the guys at Touge2Track for having me out here. I really appreciate it. And I'm so glad to see so many of my friends today. Bree came out, her friend Tiara came out, Chris came out. So tons of ride-alongs today as well as a PB. So I'm super stoked. Alright, time to head home. Peace out guys, and I will catch you in the next one.